Alright guys, so in this video I want to show you how to complete a square. So this is the example that I use to show you how to do this basic mathematical skill. So when you want to complete the square, you have to move whatever the number that you have without a variable, so you have to move it to the right side of your equation. So this becomes x squared plus 4x, and when you move this negative 22 to the right side, this is going to be 32. So the next step that we should do is we should divide this middle number that is with x by 2. So you divide 4 or whatever the number that you have with x by 2. So you get 2 and you square that number. So you get 4. Right? So now next step is you have to add this number to the equation. So it's going to be x squared plus 4x plus x plus 4 is equal to 32 plus 4, because if you add any number to this side, in order to match the balanced equation, you have to add the same number to the right side of your equation. So our goal was here to make this equation a perfect square. So we wanted to make this left side a perfect square. So the next step is, so you can factor this out. So this is going to be x plus 2 and x plus 2 is equal to 36, and this is going to be x plus 2 squared is equal to 36, and we can get the square root from the both sides. If you do this square root sign, or else if we apply the square root command to the left side and the right side of the equation, it did not make a difference in there. This is black. So this becomes x plus 2 is equal to 36 plus or minus, because when you take a square root, this can be either plus or minus 6. So x has two solutions. X can be either plus 6 minus 2, which is plus 4, or x can be minus 6 minus 2, which is minus 8. So this is how you complete a square. These are the basic information that you need to know. Thank you.